drowning in Basecamp, and dreaming of Asana's organized bliss? Well, today, we're throwing you a lifeline and showing you how to migrate your projects from Basecamp to Asana painlessly. First things first, let's tackle exporting your data from Basecamp. Unfortunately, Basecamp doesn't offer a direct, one-click export to Asana, so we'll be using a few workaround methods depending on the type of data. For simple text-based content like to-do lists and discussions, the easiest way is often to print or save as PDFs. Open the project you want to migrate, then navigate to the specific section. Like to-dos or Campfire, use your browser's print function and choose Save as PDF as your printer. This will create a downloadable document. For more structured data, like task lists with deadlines and assignees, consider manually copying and pasting into a spreadsheet, such as Google Sheets or Excel. This will require some elbow grease, but it will allow for better organization before importing into Asana. Now, onto Asana. Once you have your data in a CSV file from your spreadsheet, head over to Asana, create a new project, or select an existing one where you want to import the data. Then, click on the project menu, usually 3 dots, and select Import CSV. Asana will then guide you through mapping the columns in your CSV file to the corresponding fields in Asana, such as task name, due date, and assignee. Make sure you accurately match each column to ensure your data is imported correctly. And that's it. With a little PDF saving, spreadsheet magic, and Asana's CSV import, you've successfully migrated your projects. Now, get ready to experience the joy of organized productivity. Happy Asana!